This is so incredible.
What are the trees like where you live?
Not like this. I live in a city.
City?
Yeah. Buildings, traffic, roads, lights, a city. Most humans live in cities. There's not many trees there.
But how can you live without trees?
Easy.
But trees give life. They make the clouds, the rain, the air.
Oh, we've got air.
Yeah, if you don't mind getting all your minerals in one breath.
Don't you miss talking to the forest?
Can't say I've actually talked with a forest before.
I do all the time.
What does it say?
Well, listen.
It's raining like magic, it's falling like starlight, it's raining like magic, it's raining life. The forest is breathing and ferns are rejoicing, the trees are all singing, hey, it's raining life.
So what about you, Krista? I mean, what do fairies do anyway?
Do?
Yeah, I mean, do you have jobs or anything?
What's a job?
Guess that answers that question. Look, what do you do all day?
Help things grow.
Yeah, that sounds cool.
No, usually it's warm.
No, cool means hot.
What?
Yeah. You know, bodacious, bad, tubular,
Awesome use of the language, dude.
as in, you are one bodacious babe.
And that's good. I mean, cool.
Yeah. We're communicating now.
Tubular.